And instead of taking a cab for a small mortgage, decided to run in the rain. Like Kiwis. Let's go get a beer.
We've just wrapped up an incredible adventure, a week-long trip through the stunning landscape of Scotland. From there, we hopped onto a train.
Anyways, we have been in Wales for the last 4 days. We left Scotland, amazing, by train to come to Cardiff, and we've been visiting family members of Jay.
Soaking up some quality time with family and exploring the beautiful surroundings. And now we take things to a new height, catching a 50-minute ride to Dublin, Ireland.
This is what I'm dealing with at an airport. Oh. Disgusting.
Get ready for a whirlwind of experiences.
And of course, I got peanut butter. And I'm sure this will be delicious.
Breathtaking scenery and the joy of discovery. But before we go any further, it would mean a lot if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive into this amazing journey together.
Still raining out there?
It's the UK, baby.
We have made it to Dublin after a delayed flight last night. We were hoping to go out for a pint, but apparently everything was closed.
Look at that cute little building.
And today we're exploring.
In the rain.
In the rain. That is a cute building.
Dublin proved to be quite costly when it came to finding accommodations. Fortunately, our stay was only for a few nights. We were able to secure a spot at the Destiny Student, which opens its student accommodation to the public.
This is quite cute, eh?
During the summer break. The total cost of our 2 nights was £207, the equivalent of 350 Canadian dollars. To start off this rainy day, we obviously needed a good cup of coffee and decided to check out Fumbally. This is not only a cafe, but also a shop selling local produce and goods as well as artwork. The coffee and the food was delicious. So good, in fact, I completely forgot to take a picture.
Anyways, we took a cab. Expensive ride just to go 5 minutes. We did this because of the rain. Should have just walked, but anyways, figured something out.
On a rainy day like this, a museum visit seemed fitting, so we chose to explore the Natural Museum of Ireland. It proved to be a captivating experience, especially since the admission was free. After spending hours exploring the exhibits, we found ourselves needing a well-deserved pint of Guinness.
We are now at O'Donoghue's, and instead of taking a cab for a small mortgage, decided to run in the rain. Like Kiwis. Let's go get a beer.
O'Donoghue's pub is a must-visit for its renowned Irish music and the welcoming atmosphere. They also serve an exceptional pint of Guinness, making it the highlight of our trip.
Apparently, someone was just saying they were at Grogan's.
After this memorable experience, starting a pub crawl in Dublin became a no-brainer. And of course, we had to venture to Grogan's next.
Okay, we just stumbled across the rolling donut. And there's so many flavors.
And what pub crawl isn't complete without stopping for some sort of high-calorie food?
And of course, I got peanut butter. And I'm sure this will be delicious.
So, my love, what did you get?
I got peanut butter, obviously, and it's like a creamy peanut butter filling. It's really nice. I mean, obviously it's creamy peanut butter filling, but not, the last donut I had that had peanut butter was like peanut butter. But this one, they kind of mixed it with something. Anyways, quite good. This was a good find, right when we were hungry, between pubs, that is.
Donut between pubs.
So Jay got the pistachio cream. Let's see the inside.
It's a light filling, which I kind of like. Classic sugar glazed donut with a light filling of the pistachio.
And after that, we of course continued on, discovering a variety of different pubs.
Stop number 3, drink number 4, and it is 4:15, so we have much longer. It just keeps going. I think this is my favorite pub so far, and it is also drink 6, so that might have a reason for it, but
making for a fun night and a bit of a rough morning.
So, we just stopped at Roberts of Dalkey. Dalkey is the town that we're staying in with my... She's my auntie, actually, Auntie Claire.
After piecing together Jay's family tree, it turns out Leanne is his distant cousin. Ireland had become an unexpected family reunion in the best way.
And their lovely family, Jerry and the gals. And we grabbed a quick coffee because we were a bit parched. And they have these amazing little sandwiches. And one of them's called a Mexicana, and it is bacon, jalapenos, cheese, sour cream. It's so good. It's pretty much, I've eaten most of it, so unfortunately you can't see how good it was, but yeah, I might. True.
Dalkey is a picturesque coastal town in the county Dublin. It's part of the Dublin metropolitan area and is known for its historical architecture, scenic views, and vibrant community. It was a delightfully lazy day. Our leisurely escape took an unexpected turn.
What are they called?
speckled seal?
When we found ourselves captivated by the fishermen and the antic of a
Hilarious.
mischievous seal.
He is not far from these guys.
Hey, buddy.
We're right now sitting down by the water, watching these fishermen catch their fish, and from time to time, that speckled seal has dived in there and taken the bait, well, not the bait, but the fish right off their lines. It's been quite entertaining.
The idea of turning the spectacle into a children's book struck Jay like a lightning bolt.
There once was a seal whose name was Lex, who chased the fish from right to left. Fisherman came, fisherman went, lush, delish, scrumptious fish, how delish. Happy seal, such a little pest.
Now, it needs a bit of work, but brace
Figure it
yourselves.
Got
A
time.
whimsical children's
something
tale might be making its way to your bookshelf soon.
And on the train we go to Greystones. Now, how do you buy a ticket? It's always the question.
Must have wiped.
Wiped it all on me. Oh, got our tickets.
So, where are we going today?
We're going to Greystones, which is where the Happy Pear have their Happy Pear cafe / grocery store.
Mm-hmm.
Very excited. I've been listening to them, their podcast, and watching their YouTube videos, food, for the last couple of years. So, girl Alex, I'm doing this, well, for myself, but also for you. Because I know that you love their vegan stuff and you're all about it.
Mm-hmm.
And she introduced them to me, so hopefully she watches this video and sees my call out.
Shout out?
Shout out, that's what
Calling someone out's bad. Shout out's good.
Shout out's good. Yeah, we don't want to call
Call out's like, if you got beef with someone, you're calling them out?
Nah, no beef, because she doesn't eat beef.
Because she's a vegetarian.
She's a vegetarian. There we go.
If you're not familiar with the Happy Pear, the founders are David and Steve, twins born in Ireland. They promote a healthy and sustainable lifestyle with a strong emphasis on plant-based eating. They host a podcast and also run a cafe and shop, which offers a variety of vegetarian and vegan foods here in Greystones.
How is it?
Is that it? It's like dal. It's really good. The ginger in it's really delicious.
The ginger, Bootable, Reuben, some sort of like Bounty bar and Snickers, and then of course we got the latte. I'm totally fangirling because I saw one of the twins somewhere. Anyways, very happy to be here.
I'm right here.
What a cool experience. Oh, yeah, my other twin. My favorite twin.
There's a pause there. Did you see that?
I'm just it's just a moment. Anyways. What a cool experience that was. Went to the Happy Pear, had an amazing meal. Ran into Sarah and Harold. Sarah produces the Happy Pear podcast. She was lovely. Harold was also lovely.
Very lovely.
And their little one is so cute. And all I can say is, Alex, wow, it was amazing. You would love the food, and you're here with me in spirit. Love you, hun. So good to see you. Boy, you are. Last day in Ireland, so of course we're going back to Dublin. Hopefully finding Jay a spice bag. He almost forgot about it until I reminded him. So let's see if we can get this done.
So our first stop did not end up being the spice bag. However, we did find something else that had Jay being very passionate.
So this morning, everyone, we've come to Bridge, a famous little Dublin staple of a bakery. On a short walk from the Pierce station. Super delicious. Might have been the best sausage roll I've ever had. The sausage roll had toasted sesame seeds on it, and so the oil had kind of like extracted a little bit. Sausage roll itself is normally, the inner is normally the centerpiece. The filling is normally the centerpiece. In this respect, the filling was the medium for the pastry, in my opinion. It was unbelievable. And the filling was obviously delicious as well. If you're looking for a little bite in the morning, come to Bread and grab a sausage roll. You will not be disappointed. Yeah.
Let's just say Jay was a very happy boy because he was starting to get hangry. Well, no, he wasn't getting hangry, but he does get hangry. And because the spice bag wasn't available till 12 and it's 9:30, we came here instead. Bread 41. Check it out.
Seeing that we had such a hard time finding the spice bag, 4 heads seemed to be better than 2. Aren't we lucky to have run into these
We
guys?
are heading to... Finally getting that spice bag Jay wants.
It's like we ordered hot curry while we were in Scotland, and it was like nothing. I was like,
This
what
is his spice bag.
first spice bag, first spice bag bite, and it's our last day. And I've been meaning to get one for a long time.
The chicken is delicious. Fucking hell.
What a way to wrap up Dublin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. So long!
I'm not gonna lie, there was no nipples.
Made it to Molly Malone.
I mean, you've seen the show.
There you have it.
So.